If you, as soon as you turn on your computer and feel that it's very slow and you can't really use it, and when you open Task Manager, you find that the disk usage reaches 100%, and that's causing your system to slow down and you can't use it properly, then don't worry, because I'm going to explain a very easy 3-step method to speed up your laptop or PC and also improve the boot time. But before you watch this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos I upload. First step. Initially, you can apply the same steps if you're using Windows 7 or Windows 11 as well. Open the search menu and type Services, which is this one. Click on it. You'll see all the services running on your device. Search for a service called Connected User Experiences. Click on it, set it to Disabled, then click Stop. Then look for a service called sysmain or superfetch in some older versions. This one right here. Double-click it and do the same steps, Disabled and Stop. After that, search for Windows Search. Double-click it as well and set it to Stop and Disabled. After that, it's very important to restart your computer, and you'll notice even from the first step that the disk usage has significantly decreased. Second step, this one is also important. Right-click on the Windows icon and choose Device Manager. Open Disk Drives and select your main hard drive, the one with Windows installed, because some users have more than one drive. Right-click it, then choose Properties, then go to the Driver tab. Then click on Driver Details. If you find that this driver exists, storahci.sys, then this could very likely be the cause of the problem. So how do you fix it? Click on Details, then choose Device Instance Path. And copy this path and save it in Notepad, because we'll need it now. Then open Run, type regedit, then press OK, and open the registry editor. Navigate through this path: H-key local machine, system, current control set, enum, PCI. Now search for the path that matches the code you copied. It must be exactly the same as the one you saved. Once you find it, open it and go to Device Parameters, Interrupt Management, Message Signaled Interrupt Properties. Here, you'll find a value called MSI Supported. Click on it and change it from 1 to 0, then press OK. After that, restart your computer. After the system boots up, open Task Manager and check the disk usage. You'll find it has returned to normal instead of being 100%, and the usage has dropped significantly. Finally, it's very important to keep your Windows updated regularly because updates fix many issues. And at the end, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you can receive all tutorials that matter to every user. See you later.